Okay, so we're on the warm-up SAT style. This is a systems type question, but what makes kids super uncomfortable is the fact that they have an X, a Y, and a Z in it. They just want to know what is Y plus Z. And once you see how to do this, this is actually quite easy. It just looks complicated. So if they're looking for Y plus Z, the letter that we want to eliminate is going to be X. And if you notice, X both has the same coefficient of 1, but they're the same sign, so we have to introduce a negative to one of these equations. So I'm going to introduce a negative on the bottom. It doesn't matter which one you do. And I'm going to rewrite. So when I rewrite this bottom equation, I'm going to have negative 1x plus negative 1y. I'll show you why I'm doing that in a second. And then a negative 1 times negative 2 is a positive 2z. And a negative 1 times a negative 1 is a positive 1. Okay? Now, the other equation from the top, we're just going to bring down and not touch it. It's just going to be rewritten. Okay? So what we did was we saw that we needed y plus z. We need to eliminate x. X's have the same coefficient, so we're going to multiply everything through on one of the equations by a negative. And now that we have the same coefficient with opposite signs, we're actually going to be able to add down. So I'm going to put a 1 in here, and I'm going to put a 1 in here just so that we can see exactly what's going to happen. And when you add down from these two equations, 1 plus negative 1 eliminates, and that's what we need. We have 2y and a negative 1y. That's going to give us y. Negative 1z plus 2z is just z. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So what is y plus z equal to? Y plus z is equal to 4.